B, K. Wait a minute. Oh, is that right? Hello, awesome students. I'm Mr. M and welcome to Mukasu Brothers International School. Remember last time I taught you how to pronounce or how to say the ABC all the way to Z or Z. I'm sure you did, and I know you've been practicing. But today we are going to focus on the sounds. So the sounds of the English alphabet. So what sounds do they make? And that's going to help us in the future on how to spell, on how to write, or to start a specific word which we don't know by only the sounds of the ABC or sounds of the different letters in the English alphabet and sounds also known as phonics. Very good. Now, let's practice. A, B, B, C, K, D, D, E, F, G, G, H, H, I, E, J, J, K, K, L, L, M, N, N, O, P, P, Q, Q, R, S, S, T, T, U, V, V, W, W, X, X, Y, Y, Z, Z. Well done, fantastic, good work to you. Make sure that you practice the alphabet sounds because this will help you to write or to spell some English words, okay? Practice, practice, practice because practice makes it perfect. So make sure that you comment, subscribe and like the video. So we'll see you next time. Bye bye.